Cloud computing refers to anything where computer services are hosted over the internet and not in the same physical location as the computer being used. Data stored on banks of servers are accessed remotely. Costs are usually a subscription charge that varies depending on supplier. Running costs are included within the subscription charge. Speed depends on broadband bandwidth of user and that offered by supplier. Pen drive, nickname for a thumb-sized USB flash drive that stores data on flash memory and includes an integrated USB interface. Portability means that they may get damaged and need replacing. Designed for portability, so cost per megabyte varies on size. Power only when in use. Speed depends on whether the drive uses a USB 2.0 or USB 3.0 port. USB 3.0 is faster. Monitor, output device. Connected to the computer using a graphics card port. Keyboard consists of a number of buttons, which are used to input text or to control parts of an interface. Its main limitation is the number of keys available. Mouse, a pointing device, which allows objects to be selected and manipulated on the screen. The mouse controls a pointer which is displayed on the screen. Printer, a printer produces a hard copy, printout, from a computer usually onto paper. Laser printer, laser printers negatively charges a cylindrical drum which then attracts electrically charged toner, powdered ink. The toner is then heated so that it melts onto the paper. Fastest of all printers ranging from 50 to 200 ppm pages per minute, typically twice the cost of a similar featured inkjet printer. Toner cartridges are expensive but last longer and have less cost per page. Highest quality of all printers used for letters, bulk printing, general office and home printing. Inkjet printer, cartridges full of ink in 4 different colors, black, cyan, magenta, yellow, CMYK, are used to squirt ink onto the paper to form the required printout. Speeds of 15 to 20 ppm in monochrome, but color speeds are slower. Cheapest of all printer types available. Inkjet cartridges vary in price, but compatible version can be bought for cheaper than manufacturer versions. Good quality, but ink can show through thin paper and smudges can occur. Used for photographs, charts, small maps, general office and home printing. Dot matrix printer, a type of impact printer, which uses a set of pins being driven onto a ribbon, which then transfers its ink to the paper. Very slow compared to other printers. Used to be very cheap but now expensive because they are not mass-produced. Very low running costs as the ink ribbon lasts a long time. Quality is usually poor. Used for invoices or receipts requiring duplicate or triplicate paper such as ATMs. Plotter, used to create vector drawings on large sheets of paper by moving the paper backwards and forwards and drawing using pens. Today, plotters are mainly inkjet printers designed to be used with large sheets of paper, A2, A1 and A0. Time per page to print is slow due to large area. Most expensive type of printer. Same running costs as an inkjet printer. If pens are used, quality of line drawings are high. Used for architectural drawings, large maps, canvas prints and signs. CMYK refers to the format of 4 inks used in color printing: cyan, magenta, yellow, and key, black. Light emitting diode LED plotters are used for faster black and white printouts. Speaker, used to provide sound output from a computer. These can be as simple as a pair of stereo speakers to full surround sound. Camera, used to capture still or moving images, movies. A digital still camera is optimized for capturing still images but can also capture movies. A digital video camera is optimized for capturing movies but can also capture still images. Webcam, a camera connected to the computer for the purpose of capturing still or moving images while using a computer. Usually not as high quality as dedicated digital camera or digital video camera. Scanner, a scanner is used to capture two-dimensional 2D documents in the form of an image. Similar to a digital camera but are specifically designed to take close-up images of 2D documents. Optical character reader (OCR), a device that enables characters on a document to be identified and understood by the computer as letters, numbers, characters and words. Optical character reader is not really a device in itself, but is a scanner combined with software that performs optical character recognition, also OCR. Optical mark reader (OMR) detects the marks that are made on a multiple-choice document such as a multiple-choice answer paper for an examination. Magnetic ink character reader (MICR). Magnetic ink is used to print numbers at the bottom of checks, and the numbers are printed using the MICR E13B or CMC7 font. Barcode reader, used to detect the width of lines and gaps that form a barcode using a laser and a photodiode. Blu-ray disc, an optical storage medium the same shape and size as a compact disc (CD) and digital versatile disc (DVD) and also stores more data than both. Memory card, flash memory on a small card typically used in digital cameras, digital video cameras and phones. Most common formats include secure digital (SD) and micro SD.